The wheel of history has entered the 21st century with rapid economic development. At this stage, China is the second largest economy in the world, has entered a period of transformation and development. The population is also growing. 2015 year, the number of infants and young children in mainland China has reached 110 million. China has also become the second largest consumer of baby products after the United States. 2022 year, India has the largest population in the world. Xiamen Color Baby Children Articles, Co. Ltd. Office building is located in a graceful sea garden. Color Baby Group is a subsidiary of Hefei Color Baby Children's Products Co. Ltd. Sichuan Newsmile Maternity Baby Products Co. Ltd. Xiamen Hongxingda Industry and Trade Co. Ltd. Xiamen Color Baby Health Technology Co. Ltd. Xiamen Newsmile Trading Co. Ltd. After more than 10 years of experience and precipitation, has developed into a professional kid and pet products operation company integrating R&D, design, production and sales. It is a Walmart global supplier business and cross-border e-commerce professional supplier, won the title of Xiamen Municipal High-Tech Enterprise, Xiamen City Science and Technology Little Giant Enterprise and Southwest Fujian Science and Technology Edition Display, Enterprise Code 861467. The company has 4 major production bases in Xiamen, Ningbo, Hefei and Sichuan. At present, the company has sales outlets all over the country and has independent export rights. It exports to Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia all year round, and has won good reputation and praise. The company's brand is global at present. It has its own brands Cobabies, which have gained a certain reputation in the market. The company has passed ISO certification system, BSCI certification, domestic first-class medical device production qualification, second-class medical device sales and operation qualification, and has passed the factory inspection of many well-known brands such as Toys, Newell, Walmart in Europe and America. After years of technical research and innovation, our employees have accumulated a wealth of professional, technical knowledge and practical experience in production. They have not only obtained a number of patent certificates and product certifications, but also incorporated the enterprise into scientific management. It has 10 EN certifications, 10 ASDM certifications, 13 utility model patents, 1 invention patent, 8 copyrights, and 8 qualification certificates. The vision of Cobabies people is to become a leading company in the global baby and child industry. We support the growth of small and medium-sized sellers in the global baby and child industry, and make the world no difficult business as the mission. Cobabies people continue to be customer-centric, market and customer-oriented orientation. The company's systematic management system and talent growth system, altruistic thinking, the basic concept and guiding ideology of achieving more. People, and strivers-oriented, embracing changes, actively embracing the changes of the times, taking advantage of the trend, being proactive, and constantly learning, continue to build corporate competitiveness, long-term adherence to hard work as corporate values. Cobabies pays attention to corporate growth and personal growth and learning, and takes building a learning organization as the direction. From the establishment of the company to the present, it has invested millions of dollars for the company and team to help the team and the company grow. Cobabies has always adhered to its own goals, achieve more than 10 employees with an annual salary of $500,000, and 5 or more employees with an annual salary of $1 million, altruistic thinking, sharing, cooperation, win-win. And achieving more people are the basic concepts and guiding ideology, hoping to help more people and make Cobabies a great and easy startup platform for the health industry. Quality assurance of Cobabies. Cobabies always treats the production of each product with a rigorous attitude, strictly checks the product inspection standards formulated by the company, and the inspection report goes into every detail of each product, and never misses anyone. Quality loopholes, and strive to present the most perfect products to customers. Color baby people with high quality and excellent baby products, create a comfortable environment for children to grow up. Let happy laughter fill thousands of households.